There are some places that simply takes your breath away and you realize that there is so much more to life. Hello friends, this is Amrita and welcome back to our channel Offbeat and Untold. Today we will be taking you to Maldiram, also known as Mahaldiram, an offbeat getaway near Darjeeling that is surely going to take your breath away. Because Maldiram is like a breath of fresh air, with stretches of tea gardens, crispy mountain air, and gorgeous views of the Kanchenjunga looming at the horizon. Places like these makes me crave for the simplicity of life that we often miss. What more can we want for a weekend trip? So finally we have arrived at Shialda station. So it's been a long time that we have done a train ride. So today we are going to board on one of our favorite trains, Darjeeling. We have finally reached NJP station. The train was almost an hour late, but anyways, from here we are going to take a shared sumo towards Darjeeling. Our stop for today is Mahaldiram. To reach there we have to get down at Dilaram and from there take another car towards Mahaldiram. So we have reached Dilaram. From here we are going to take a reserved car towards Maldiram. A reserved car will take around 600 to 700 rupees and the way is quite uphill. I felt the cool air against my face while enjoying the unique smell of the pine and firs. It is always a heady mix. We reached our homestay, Mahaldiram Salamander Jungle Camp, after about 45 minutes of drive. The homestay was located just beside the tea gardens, so we got a view of the tea gardens and the mountains all from the homestay. It started raining after we reached the homestay, so we could not go out in the afternoon as we had originally planned. However, sitting inside the room and watching the rain without any thought was quite a relaxing experience. The rooms at Salamander Jungle Camps are named after the local rivers. Our room was named after the beautiful Relikola River. The rooms are basic, but the views from them were great. At one side, we could see the tea gardens, while the other side boasted of the mountain views. There is a common terrace from where you can get a good view of the surroundings. So let me just show you around. So at my extreme right, that is the Chotopur Hills. On a very clear day, you can see the Kanchenjunga ranges from here. There, that side, it is Mongpo. Mongpo is the same place where Rabindranath Tagore used to stay during his last days. There, that side, it's Sitong, Selfu, and just above that is Aholdara. Isn't it extremely beautiful? Now see just behind me, this entire valley, this is the Siliguri, the Siliguri city. During the night, it looks absolutely awesome. And at my left, that's the Maldiram tea gardens. The food here is simply delicious. Authentic Bengali cuisine is served, both vegetarian and non-vegetarian. It is so calm and peaceful at Maldiram. While it rained in the evening we reached, the next morning was clear and sunny. We got a glimpse of Kanchenjunga early in the morning and then the mountains were hidden in a blanket of clouds. Later in the day, We walked through the tea gardens and explored the nearby villages. From Maldiram, you can also visit Bagdogra, Sitong, Latpanchan and Aholdara. Namthing Pokri, a beautiful lake, is also located nearby. We spent 2 days in Maldiram and then headed towards Darjeeling. This was a time when we simply indulged ourselves in the natural beauty of the surroundings without thinking of our day-to-day responsibilities. It was simply great. Would you like to visit Maldiram, this beautiful offbeat getaway near Darjeeling? Let us know in comments below. And we promise to come back with videos on our Manipur trip next. Until then, goodbye and see you soon.